Grok AI just killed its free video generation, leaving creators completely stranded. But do not worry. In today's video, I will reveal two brand new, highly secretive methods to unlock free Google Veo 3.1. We are talking about cinematic, watermark-free video generation, using Veo 3.1 that is completely free and unlimited. You also need to pay very close attention to your screen. I am announcing a massive giveaway for a premium Google Ultra account, fully loaded with 25,000 Veo 3.1 credits. I will reveal the secret criteria to enter this giveaway at a random moment during this tutorial, so do not skip a single second. Let's dive in. First, navigate to your computer screen. Go to the search bar and type Google Opal. I'll provide the direct link in the description below, so you can access it easily. Click on the Opal Experiment option. This interface will open up. Look at the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Sign in using your Google or Gmail account. Click Continue. A permissions prompt will appear. Select All and click Continue. This grants Opal the necessary access to your Google Drive to store your generated applications. We are now successfully signed into Google Opal. A welcome prompt may appear, you can confirm it, but I will cancel it for now. Next, simply click on the Create New option. This will open a brand new workspace file. You might have seen similar tutorial videos before, where they simply tell you to paste a prompt to generate a pre-built app. For instance, I'll demonstrate how that basic app generation process works and starts. However, the biggest issue with those pre-built template apps is the severe lack of customization. You cannot change the aspect ratio, like switching between 16:9 and 9:16, nor can you add custom reference images. Therefore, I will delete this node for now and teach you a brand new, highly customizable method today. First, click on the Generate option located at the top. This will open a new node box on your workspace screen. Now, look to the right side Properties panel. Click on the Agent drop-down menu and select VEO, which is the second to last option. After selecting Veo, scroll down and open the Advanced Settings menu. Under the Model version, ensure you select Veo 3.1. Below that, you will see the Aspect Ratio options, allowing you to choose between 16:9 and 9:16. In other words, landscape and portrait. I will select the 9:16 portrait aspect ratio for this demonstration. Now, move up to the top prompt box. Here, you can paste or type any visual prompt you desire. Once you have entered your prompt, switch over to the Preview tab located on the top right. Give the page a quick refresh. Finally, look at the bottom right and click the Start button. As you can see, our video generation process has immediately begun. I am showing you this entirely free method to make high-quality AI video creation accessible for you. Our video is now ready. Let me play it for you to check the impressive quality. Notice that there is absolutely no watermark or Google Veo logo anywhere on the screen. This is one of the most significant benefits of utilizing this specific method: completely watermark-free, professional results. To save the video, simply click the three-dot menu icon on the player and select Download. As you can see, the MP4 file has successfully downloaded to our device. If you want to generate another video, simply come back and click on the Generate node box on your workspace again. This will reopen the settings panel on the right. You can enter a brand new prompt here. Adjust your settings, such as changing the aspect ratio to 16:9. Enter your new prompt text. Go back to the Preview tab, refresh it if needed, and hit the Start button. Our next video is now generating. It is an incredibly straightforward and seamless process. Next, I will demonstrate how we can convert an image into a video in both landscape and portrait aspect ratios. But before we move on, let me show you the final quality of our 16:9 bare video. Again, notice that there is absolutely no watermark, and the generation is completely free. Now let's prepare for the image to video workflow. Let me refresh the workspace to clear our previous nodes. For the image to video conversion, look at the top menu and click on User Input. This will add a User Input node box to your workspace. You will notice a small circular connection point on the right side of this box. Click and hold this point, drag the connection line, and drop it onto the corresponding circular point on the Generate node box. Once they are successfully connected, look at the settings panel on the right. Under Advanced Settings, find the Input Type option. It will be set to Any by default. Click on it and change it specifically to Image. Make sure the User Input node box is actively selected when you adjust this setting. With that complete, our next step is to click on the Generate node box again to open its specific settings. The right panel will update. Here, we need to provide the prompt to dictate how we want to animate our image. First, I will set my aspect ratio to 9:16, as the image I am going to utilize is formatted for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Next, move up to the main prompt box. Add your exact instructions on how you want the image animated. For this example, I am keeping it exceptionally simple and typing. Animate this perfectly. With the prompt established, return to the Preview tab. Give it a quick refresh and click the Start button. Now, the system will prompt you to provide your image. Click the Upload Your Response area at the bottom. Select Upload from Device and choose your desired image. I am uploading a previously AI-generated image of a horse rider. Once it's uploaded, hit Enter or Confirm. The image-to-video generation process will immediately begin computing right before your eyes. It is an extremely efficient method, and remember, it's completely free. Here is the final result. Let me play the video for you. Again, you can easily save it to your computer by clicking the three dots and selecting Download. Let me quickly summarize some key limits and details. This tool allows you to create around 10 to 12 premium videos daily, entirely for free. If you require more bandwidth, you can simply log in with multiple Gmail accounts to generate an unlimited volume of content. To quickly recap the image-to-video process, select the Generate box, enter your animation instructions, navigate to the Preview tab, hit Start, upload your desired base image, and let the process run. It's that easy. Now, let's move on to our second excellent method. For our second approach to utilize Google Veo 3.1 for free, open a new browser tab and search for Google Vids. Click on the first official search result. I will provide this direct link in the description as well to save you time. Sign in using your Google or Gmail account. Once signed in, the Google Vids pop-up will load, displaying all its available features and templates. Please note, this specific service might not be globally available in all regions just yet. It is currently accessible in the US and select other countries. If you find it is not accessible in your local region, simply utilize a reliable VPN like NordVPN, the link in the description where you can get 3 months extra of NordVPN. From the pop-up, click on the VEO 3.1 option. This will open the main generation interface. On the right side, here you can write a prompt, and here you will see options like Create from Scratch and Animate an image. You can also select your preferred aspect ratio from the drop-down, such as landscape or portrait. First, let's execute a text-to-video generation. I am selecting Create from Scratch, selecting the portrait aspect ratio, and typing the prompt. Then, I simply click the Generate button. It started video generation. You might also notice Avatar and Ingredients options. These are premium features reserved for Google Pro Workspace users. You'll also notice that a highly useful built-in timeline is provided at the bottom of the workspace. Once the video is fully computed and ready, I will grab it and drag and drop it directly onto our bottom timeline. Let me play this timeline clip for you so you can analyze the generated results and motion quality. Finally, let's explore the image-to-video feature within Google Vids. I will switch over and select the Animate an Image option. Next, I'll click to upload an image directly from my device. This time, a dynamic picture of a football player. I will set the aspect ratio to landscape and type a simple but effective prompt. I'll hit Generate. Keep in mind, similar to Opal, you are allocated a daily limit of about 10 to 12 video generations here. Again, you can leverage multiple Gmail accounts to scale this production up if needed. Our animation is now fully rendered. I will drag it down to a new scene block on the timeline. Take a look at this impressive, realistic animation quality applied to our static image. That comprehensively covers both free Google Veo generation methods. Before we wrap up this tutorial, I have a special announcement. To enter the official lucky draw for a premium Google Ultra account with 25,000 VEO 3.1 credits, simply like this video and leave a comment below. Once this video hits 1,000 likes, we will publicly announce the lucky winner from the comment section. Thank you for watching.